start in the center whenever you're putting the hog rings in and work to the outside edge. You're probably going to need some help, especially if you're a novice. Get somebody to actually do the pulling and tugging for you, and then just take your hog ring and hog ring pliers and get a few of them started. The more you get in there, the easier it will be. But with that new foam, new spring, and a new seat cover, it's going to be tight. So just like we just switched in to do a few on one side and then move to the other side and try to pull the vinyl evenly to each one of the hog ring locations. That way when you flip it over, the front edge of the seat is even. So we'll finish up the easy ones here, and then once we get back to the corners, we'll show you a few more of those, just to show you the different techniques on the corners.